I'm here looking at the Monsignor's rest house. It's already finished outside, as you can see. I have featured this before. Nga nakatpuyo na dress Monsignor wa pa.
Oy, mga man siya Swedish laws sa bado magmisa mo gay dira oh.
Oh, so the Monsignors already start staying here once in a while, and then so he'll make a big chapel up there. He's also holding mass here on the that you can see here. So because I featured this once when they were building this, I think some of you can remember. Now these are made mostly of native materials. These are bamboo and wood. That's wood and bamboo. And you can see, giyon siya na ni mo, ma'am. Kawayan? Nito. So those like that one like amakan. Di sa na siya amakan.
Kato hikapa mamay, kato ay. Kato. Nasa pultahan ninyo to.
Mao ba? Kani ko na to sa kuanan ga. Kanisad. So this woman here is the one who made this by herself.
Oh.
Ah. Mas ligon ang nito kaysa kuan kaysa sa amakan no. Mas ligon siya. So this is she done this by herself, her own design. So there's a painting there.
Ito may pagka-Korean o kuan.
Oh, Korean og style, Japanese. So they got here an office, also serves as the kitchen for the rest house. And you can see it's rocks. So the corner ones are the tamarind tree, and then they have the local rocks that they have dug out and then cemented it. And then they have the matching tiles that goes with the coloring. So the Monsignor is planning to put up a big church up there, and he held mass here when he's here. So they have a kubo, and this is the big place for like another simala that he's planning to build here, like a beautiful church, big church up in the mountain. So it's gonna be on the top of that hill there. It's hard to go there. So but this is the place where you stop, and he allowed the people still to pass by there, the one from the ballet. So he just fenced the side with barbed wire, so the locals from the bottom of the ballet, the farmers, can still go up here. So hear the birds there. It's still a ballet down there, but there are people that lives there in the ballet. So the Monsignor still allow them to pass on one side of his property and go through the main street. So that's the house here that I featured once, that $4,000 for all of this development, that one that he made there. So we can't get inside it now because it's already been private, but I want to look at the toilets as well, because I'm planning to make a toilet outside where my workshop is, also for parties. So look at the size of it. But what I'm amazed of is their design. Look at the window of bamboo. So that's the bamboo window. Mutanaw ko si mong window dong. He made it himself and just varnish it. And these curtains here are made of Oh, palm, and then rolled around. So I'm just amazed that they have managed to decorate the trees that they cut in, like that's the tamarind trees, as accent to the place. Pro tiles na gid. Oh, it's tiles.
Kana mo dito.
Kani?
Kana itapa na ate oh.
Mo di din imong giingon. Made of nito, the one that the woman used for waving. Ha?
Wa nanay daghan sa.
Dili pa ni human.
Mato, ah?
Kang pamipugon diha.
Mao ba?
Pugon inside.
Murag oven. Oven, murag they're gonna make a
Karang style.
earth oven. So this is the kitchen. Kani ibutang sa ninyo og ceiling nga kuan.
Siling ang butang akong design ko tong tandag. Kini pagtagda. Ano siya ng mga murag uway ba? Wala pa i-design diha stars.
Wow. Nalagi kay pataas didto.
Wala pa i-kuan diha i-construct nga kuan balay sa mga seminaryan.
Oh, so they have stairs here because they're constructing a house for seminarians up there as well. So the the corner here is made of the tamarind tree, and then this like curtain is made of the palm tree that I'm trying to kill. But they have created this like braided,
Papunanan niyo ano?
Asa?
Nito.
and this one
Stars, buhay to na stars.
kaniya sambag sa ni siya imong ibutang ani butangan og glass diri sa babaw.
Oh, temporary na para hindi kalusot iro.
Ah, okay. So this will be glass here. This just temporary where the log is. So the dogs won't just go in and out. So this is the local rocks in what they dug here. And what I'm trying to show you is the finish of this one, but we can't get in. But this is the rest house of the Monsignor.
Ikuan man ni mo ma'am na sa imong bana ma'am na.
Oh, na naman diha.
May noon.
Mm.
Na English speaking ba na imong bana na.
Yeah. So this is the House of Providence, the project of Monsignor Flores. Monsignor Flores, no? Oh, the well. So he's planning to be the next similar, like a religious place here in Talamban. This is his rest house, and he's building up on the hills. So it will be overlooking as well on the city. So they're putting gardens, and he's allowing the locals to pass on one side.